Dear students, now we are discussing another topic, that is biosphere reserves. This is also we have discussed we just mentioned in the in situ conservation, but here we are moving in detail. Okay, so let's move. What does mean by biosphere reserves? Biosphere reserves are protected areas in which all kind of biological species are given under protection and multiple land use of human beings are permitted over here. And these biosphere reserves are first established by the Man and Biosphere Program of UNESCO. Here the protected biological species include wildlife population, native tribals, cultivated plants and domesticated animals. This biosphere reserves was launched in 1971 as a part of this MAB program, that is Man and Biosphere Program. What is the peculiarity or objective of this biosphere reserves? They are generally conserving all forms of life, and we are providing some care and support to them. Then promotion of the sustainable development. It also causes the man and nature together for preserving the nature as well as natural resources. Here we are discussing about two different kinds of biosphere reserves. The first one is called the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So let's move in detail. What is the peculiarity of this Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve? It is the first biosphere reserve in India, and it was established in September 1st, 1986. It spreads over Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu districts. It approximately having an entire area of around 5,670 kilometers with 3,133 kilometers are spreading in Kerala. It covers the following areas, that is Nilgiri, Periyar, Nilambur, Silent Valley, Wayanad, Nagarhole, Bandipur, Mudumalai, Aralam, Mukurthi and Shiruvani. And what are the different kinds of ecoregions found here? It consisting of scrub forest, dry deciduous forest, moist deciduous forest, wet evergreen forests, grasslands, etc. More than 100 species of mammals, 550 bird species and 30 species of reptiles have been recorded from this biosphere reserves. And the common animals found in here are elephant, gaur, lion, light-tailed macaque, sloth bear, Mongolian and Nilgiri tahr. In addition to this, you can see many tribal groups also. The main tribal groups are Todas, Kothas, Kurumbas, Panyas, Adians, Allas, Malayans and Edanadan Chettis. Okay, so that's all about the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves. The second one is called the Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. This is Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve, and this is mainly located in the southern end of Western Ghats. It's spread or it is covering in which places, that is Pathanamthitta, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram districts in Kerala and Tirunelveli and Karnataka district in Tamil Nadu. So this particular biosphere reserve is extending in between Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And it covers an entire area of about 3,500.36 kilometer per square, and out of which 1,008 kilometers per square is generally extending in Kerala and the rest is extending in Tamil Nadu. And which places are generally included? It includes Neyyar, Para, Chendurani Wildlife Sanctuary and adjoining areas of Pachinkoil, Tenmala, Konni, Punalur, Agastyavanam and special divisions of Kerala. And this is also another World Heritage Center which is announced by the UNESCO. It also consisting of different ecoregions, mainly tropical evergreen forest, most deciduous forest of southwestern Ghats, mountain rainforest and sholas of southwestern Ghats. And the peculiarity of this biosphere reserve is that it is a habitat of 2,000 varieties of medicinal plants, in which 50 are very rare and endangered. Nilgiri tahr, tiger and elephants are the most important mammals which is generally found in this Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserves. So I hope you understood what is meant by Biosphere Reserve, and we are ending the chapter right now. If you have any doubt, please do in the comment section. Thank you.